Hi everyone, I'm Jerry. Was just sent this really cool 350 square foot coverage air conditioning unit. This is portable, guys. This is on wheels. It's actually on casters that can move 360 degrees and move around. This is from Garvee. Thank you guys for sending this. It does have really nice handles on the side if you did need to pick this up to move it, but this would be perfect for a dorm room, office. Maybe you've got a small room above your garage. Simply plugs into a 110 outlet. Really nice power cable on this that allows you to test and reset. It's got a built-in GFI on that. You also have a nice remote. They even include the batteries with the remote, which a lot of places don't, which is really great as well. We're going to go ahead and turn this guy on here. Now, this is going to require a drain that you actually can hook on. They provide a drain hose here that simply hooks into the back for that condensation. Or you also have a window kit here, which is nice. This is an expandable corrugated piece here that expands out and attaches on to a window kit piece, so you can actually vent this outside, which is absolutely incredible. That allows you the ability to do that. On the back here, they actually have a nice washable screen that you can come back around the back and see. It's got this air conditioning fins on there, but washing this out is going to be a breeze. Loving the fact that that's washable on there as well. So this is where it's, woo, look at that, blow that air out. This is blowing the air out of the back of this thing like a mad dog, because this is 8,000 BTU on this, and it is absolutely incredible. You've got this vents on the front here that's already putting out cold air. It's going to show you the temperature in the room, or you can adjust the temperature up or down to whatever it is that you want to set it to. Maybe I want to set it to 72 to cool it down a few degrees in here. You can do that. You've got speeds on here as well, slow, medium, and you've got dehumidification mode, or a fan mode, or a cool mode. And all of that is also accessible via the remote. So you can go ahead and turn the fan. Maybe I want to turn the on fan. Maybe you want to turn it on cool. It automatically will adjust that from across the room. That's great. You even have a timer that you can actually set a timer here and actually go ahead and adjust the timer all the way up. I mean, you can just adjust that all the way up. You can set it for a 24-hour timer. So lots of different options. You even can turn off the lights. That's huge, guys. If you're at nighttime, you want to be able to turn those off. You can turn off the lights. So this is really going to be nice. It's going to help cool everything down. 8,000 BTU, completely portable, great for your home or office. Thank you guys for sending it.